Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to grow wheatgrass faster. To achieve rapid growth, focus on 4 key factors: seed quality, proper soaking, optimal planting conditions, and consistent care. By understanding and implementing these techniques, you can significantly reduce the time it takes to harvest your fresh wheatgrass. We will cover each step in detail, ensuring you get the best results in about 7 to 10 days. The first critical step for faster wheatgrass is proper seed preparation. Soak your high-quality wheatgrass seeds in cool water for 8 to 12 hours. This process jumpstarts germination, significantly reducing the time until sprouting. After soaking, rinse the seeds thoroughly to prevent any mold development. This simple step makes a huge difference in your growth timeline, setting the stage for a quick harvest. Once soaked, plant your seeds densely on about 1 inch of organic potting soil in a tray. Maintain a consistent room temperature, ideally between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Provide 12 to 16 hours of indirect sunlight or artificial grow lights each day. Good air circulation is also vital to prevent mold, ensuring your wheatgrass grows strong and fast. For watering, mist your seeds daily to keep them consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater. Within about 7 to 10 days, your wheatgrass should reach 6 to 8 inches in height, indicating it's ready for harvest. Use sharp scissors to cut the blades just above the seed level. This careful harvesting technique can even allow for a second growth, maximizing your yield.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.